So this is Gaz Webber. Now he's only ever pulled twice on this tractor. He's had been following us and watching tractor pulling and thought, I'd like a go at that. So a couple of months ago he put a post out on Facebook asking for a tractor puller, was there any majors or anything for sale? And this popped up about a fortnight ago. So come on Gaz, you can do it, let's rock and roll. Wow, it's the only way. Well done! That's repairable in an instant. Of course, when these engines are under so much boost. But of course, this is Jack Roberts. Now, Bob's been keeping the seat warm for him today because this is actually Jack's tractor. Now it's only his road run tractor. He's got a 6-cylinder. Well, you don't have to have anything too overboard to come and have a bit of a pull with us. So just a 6-cylinder in there, I do Jack, with the mini Met fuel pump on there. So you know. Come on Jack, all over to you now. Bob's been keeping it nice and warm for you. Come on, let's rock and roll. We are on the pull. We're just not getting any grip there. It has really, the last pull was such an improvement. So we had a very happy neighbour. Once again, we're just waiting for everybody to step away from the sled and have a green light, green flag. Come on, boss, let's rock and roll. Nice pull, Nathan. Well done. And it's running. Marvellous. So he's very happy chap with that. So do we have two steamers that come to see us? So we're having a little bit of a treat now. So anything, we don't have to be a tractor to come onto the sledge. We've got lorries, we've got Land Rover, and looks like we have now two steam engines. So if you haven't seen a steam engine on a sledge before, you are going to see that very shortly now. And this is what came back, so a really nice tractor this is. All ready. So we're going to do exactly the same, and hopefully that if you have enjoyed watching it today, do tell some friends, because I am sure that they will both come down, and we talked very nicely to Tom, that he will bring them down again tomorrow to see us. So well done, thank you. And even better, we had lady power as well, so we're at girl power though. Power to the girls, thank you very much. Thank you. Will you come back and see us again tomorrow? Brilliant, great stuff. So after all that calmness of a bit of pulling with steam engines, we are now going to go back to the modified by the looks of it, and it looks like we have Martin Hall as the next one coming onto the sledge. With his new build for this year. Of course, he's another one of the new members we've had in the club this year. We've been so lucky to have such an influx of such. So it looks like we're ready to rock and roll again. So we have a red light, we just want that green flag now, green light. But we still have the roller on, so come on Rob, off the track. Did a cracking job there, but we need to see Martin come up here now. Come on, let's rock and roll. Build her up nicely. Plenty of boost we want. Come on, keep coming. Slowly, surely. We are on the ball. So we're definitely making that drive to work then. Don't look so worried, Charles.